said by Mahatma Gandhi, which was said by Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, it is true that if you educate the men, then you'll be educating an individual. But if you educate the women, then you'll be educating the whole family. It is very, very important. Now, in 21st century, girls, you all have to work very, very hard. Women also, you all have to work very, very hard. Because we are living in a society where you all are considered to be the second-rate citizen. Okay, we cannot deny the fact all women are treated as second-rate citizens in the country and as well as in the society. So on this day, I insist all the women to work hard and believe in yourself that you are worthy and you can do much better and move equally with the men. And as well as girls, you must not feel shy. Okay, you must not feel that you are deprived, but you must think that you are capable, you are worthy, and you can do it. So, in the school activities, whatever comes, you try to come forward, don't feel shy, okay, come forward and try to take part in all kind of activities, okay, give your best and leave the rest. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, 21st century, information and technology is very, very important. Now, if you don't focus in this, then you will be lacking behind. So you have to focus, you have to work hard, and you have to move along with the demand of the society and demand of the country. Now what does country demand? Country demands information and technology. It is moving very fast and rapidly, and you all have to work hard. Now in information and technology, now journalism also plays very, very important role. That's why I tell you that reading is very important, right? Speaking is very important. So you have to improve these reading skills and speaking skills. So always give a time. At least in the end of the day, give yourself 5 minutes and read anything. Okay, from any book. Either it can be a science, maths, right? Anywhere. You just take a paragraph and read. Read sincerely, honestly, and you see that in a month you will be improving. So try to take interest in it and try to move forward in life. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you and have a good day.